Hello everyone, it's Pat with our Oracle card reading and message for this upcoming week, beginning with today, May 7th, going through to the 13th, 14th of May, right up to Mother's Day. So anyways, I'm going to be doing our usual Oracle card reading, and I'm pulling the Archangels for their message for us. And this week I felt guided to use, so I was walking through the woods today. Archangel Raphael came to me, so I thought I would use his deck of Oracle Archangel Raphael healing cards. And I also felt guided to the fairies. Probably because it's such a beautiful day out here where I am. As you can tell, I'm back outside to do these readings, which I love because it's just so nice out. So anyways, first I want to just send some light out and ask for extra angels to surround Hawaii and the area of the West Pacific, where there's volcanoes going on, a lot of very large earthquakes that's really disrupting a lot of the people out there, and they're having to be evacuated. So asking for extra angels and sending extra light to them so they all get out safely. Okay. Anyways, so let's get going with our reading. I did go ahead and pull cards ahead of time to save on the time here for our video. So the Archangel for this week is this one, Archangel Chamuel, with this message of career transition. And it says, your life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. Okay, now Chamuel is an angel who helps us. He's a visionary angel. He helps us to find things. He's part of one of the choirs of angels. And Chamuel is like I said, he's the finding angel. He's the one who can help you find that new job or a new career, or find a new life, way of being in the world. He can help you to find a soulmate. He can help you with finding your car keys. There really isn't anything too big or too small. But in this message that we have going on this week, there's a shift taking place. So it could mean that in your current job, you're getting a promotion or going for a promotion or something, where you're, going to move on to the next thing. It could mean that you're, coming to that decision that you want to move more towards self-employment and starting your own business. Okay. For some of you, the hit I get on this, for some of you watching, is that you may just be really just burnt out in whatever your current work is. Okay. And you're looking for something that's maybe where you don't have to work so many hours, where it's not so draining on you energetically, or maybe you're just bored and you're looking for something that's more exciting, that's going to challenge you again, that's more fulfilling to you, personally fulfilling. So that's, and last week in our reading, I believe we had the Archangel Michael, who was overseeing us, with the message of remember who you are. And so in the process of doing that, as we take that quiet time to ourselves and, get in touch with ourselves and, where our needs are at, and who we are, that oftentimes will stimulate the desire for a career change or to move into something else for a line of work. It may even be guided towards becoming a healer in some kind. Not, maybe a professional one like a doctor or nurse, or a more holistic healer like a Reiki master or something like that. But in some case, it can just mean that you might be changing location at your job. But usually when Chamuel shows up, there's a little something more going on. There's some kind of, it might just mean that there's a change to the current job that you're in, a change in your responsibilities, something along those lines. Okay. So, work with Chamuel. He's an angel. I've worked with him many times to help me find a new job, a new place to live, or your car keys when you've lost them, or your eyeglasses when you've lost them. So there's nothing too big or too small, in other words. So anyways, let's get on to the cards for this week. So with Raphael's messages, the beginning of the week, we have increased energy. So this is a sign that as the week begins, your physical energy is likely to be improving. If you felt wiped out, tired, maybe stretched in too many directions or something, this is a sign. This card means the beginning of the week, your energy is coming back, your physical energy. It also, to me, as I look at it, feels like there's some excitement around something. That's part of what your increased energy is about. If you look at that picture, it's a beautiful, dynamic, like these big wings with these rays of light coming on it. It's just this intense, like, wow, photo. So there's a lot, I feel like there's some excitement at the beginning of the week. Maybe it has to do with your career change or something that you want to, maybe you found that ideal job. And so there's a lot of excitement about it, or there's a great new opportunity, great new career opportunity that's come up for you, and there's excitement about it. So the beginning of the week is heralded by some increased energy, all right, both physical energy and something that you may be excited about, and or. The middle of the week, we get this message from him that says, ask your body for a message. So I know that might sound a little strange for those of you who aren't. I mean, if you're into holistic stuff and metaphysical things, it probably doesn't sound strange at all. But for those of you who aren't, it's really about tuning into your body, okay? And checking in with, where it's at with how it's feeling in certain environments, what's going on with it. Do a check-in with, what activities that you're doing and how they're affecting your body, okay? If you have a lot of, intestinal stuff going on, as an example, if you're getting a lot of indigestion or that irritable bowel syndrome, have a little meditation and check in with your body and see if there's a message that, bubbles up to the surface when you ask it. Those of us in the metaphysical realm, or who work with metaphysical concepts, know that everything has energy to it. And those of us who work as intuitives know you can tune into just about anything and get an intuitive hit or message from it. And as a Reiki master, I can tell you that too. The body holds a lot of information. So you can tune into the parts of your body and, is there a lot of pain in some area? And sometimes that pain is representative of underlying anger or fear about something. And so but when you do that, when you tune into your body and ask it for a message, always be kind and remember that oftentimes whatever is there because it's protecting you. Those of us who carry excess weight, or especially around our middle, there's an element of protection in that. So ask what your body needs. All right. So it's a bit about doing a body check-in middle of the week. Okay. Now, the end of the week, there was 2 cards that came out, and it was Jesus, the Divine Healer, and Call Upon Raphael for help. So they're urging you, okay, to call upon them and ask for their intervention with whatever it is, okay? These are 2 of the most, really dynamic healers within, there's many healers within the realm of the divine and the celestial beings. But Jesus is obviously the healer most well known to Christians. And Raphael's a healer as well. So that's a really powerful message to get, to both ask Jesus and Raphael. So that's something that can lead to miraculous results with healing, especially if you feel like, you're hitting a block with it, with whatever it is that you're trying to heal. But it just means at the end of the week, you are invoking divine intervention. You're calling upon these powerful healers to help you with either a decision that you need to make, with your body's physical healing, or maybe it's your emotion, your spirit that needs to heal. It feels like a real act of surrender that comes in at the end of this week. Like you're really saying, you know what, I just can't do it anymore. I just can't do this anymore. I just can't be this way anymore. So there's a real surrendering there and a calling upon these powerful healers within of the divine to come and help you. And it's wonderful to do that. Once you turn it over to them and let them help heal the situation. So, and I think it also means as you go into the weekend, there may be a difficult situation that you're encountering. And so you're calling upon them to help you through it. Okay, whatever that situation may be. All right, now the fairies, the beginning of the week, right with Raphael's increased energy, we have flower power. And this is a reminder from the fairies to work with the power of nature, and specifically the flowers, to increase your energy. Okay, sometimes the smell of beautiful flowers, inside and or outside, is enough to, lift up your spirit. I've also gotten this card. It's a time when you can use, or they're urging you to use, or reminding you to use, essential oils as part of your healing. Okay, essential oils can be helpful with getting rid of colds, unblocking your sinuses if you're having issues with allergies or a bad cold or something like that. Middle of the week, the fairies are urging you to get in touch with nature. And that goes right along with this ask your body for a message. So get out in nature, find some quiet time, and tune in there. It's really about the magic of nature. Nature is very magical. And there's like 3 little fairy sprites on this, tossing this bubble around. But it's kind of about being enchanted with nature and being out in the awe of nature. It's very healing for you. And towards the end of the week, along with Raphael and calling on Jesus, we have this awakening your true self. And awakening your true self really has to do with an element of your own power coming to the forefront. There's a part of you that wants and needs to feel powerful again, to feel confident. And that's what you're awakening, okay? Or that's what's being awakened as we come to the end of the week. You're wanting to feel in charge and control of your life. And that is probably connected to the career change issue. You're looking to get back to more of what's real for you, and what's more true for you. Okay, and it could be the career transition thing. Maybe you're in a job or work that doesn't feel authentic for you anymore, and you're needing to move into something that does feel more true to you, more authentic for you. And that feels like it's making a contribution. So anyway, so those are the messages that have come up for us this week. So I hope you have a lovely week. Happy Mother's Day to all of you out there who celebrate, who are mothers. Even if you're, a mother to a pet, you're still a mom. So anyway, take care, everyone. I welcome whatever comments that you'd like to leave below. If you'd like to visit my website, it's patrainville.com. And I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care, everyone.